What's the next step in the fight against heroin abuse locally? News Channel 5's Kristen Volk is standing next to one of them tonight, a billboard.
That's right, Chris. This billboard was just unveiled this afternoon. It stands at East 14th and Carnegie, and it is a blatant reminder that heroin is very much a part of our community. And no one knows that better than Marnie Kaufman, whose number is on the bottom of this billboard.
How long has she been doing heroin for?
It's a phone call that's all too familiar for Marnie Kaufman at this Cuyahoga County Crisis Center, a call about heroin. Again.
If you wanted to, you could give her our phone number directly.
This time it's a friend of an addict on the other end of the line, worried about how to help the person she loves.
If for some reason she doesn't want to do a detox where she goes inpatient, there is also help for her to receive outpatient.
This kind of call is the new normal for Kaufman and her colleagues. Every day they counsel people about heroin. This center used to average 25 heroin calls a month, but in March there were 258. They attribute the jump to the county's heroin prevention campaign that launched late last year.
This campaign, this whole business of heroin is at epidemic stages.
Bill Denahan runs Cuyahoga County's Alcohol, Drug Addiction, and Mental Health Services Board. He says the campaign is working. More people are reaching out for help, and that in turn is helping our whole community because heroin has big repercussions.
It is a huge cost to our society, given if they have to go into the prison system for use of heroin, it's $35,000 a year.
Meanwhile, Kaufman's day continues with another heroin call. This time she tries someone back who says he or she is so addicted to the drug that they're having suicidal thoughts. But when she calls, it goes straight to voicemail. Even though there is a lot of advertising and a lot of calls to the crisis center, local officials say there is still so much more to do to combat the heroin epidemic. And unfortunately, they say that epidemic has not peaked yet. On your side in Cleveland, I'm Kristen Volk, News Channel 5.
Hey, Kristen, what's the biggest challenge they're facing in battling the heroin epidemic right now?
Well, Chris, they tell me that the biggest challenge is that there are not enough beds at local treatment centers to serve the callers in need. But they do say that local officials do tell me that they are working to fix this problem.
All right, Kristen Volk reporting live tonight. Kristen, thank you.